applications and spousal sponsorship applications in regards to documents are very similar. However, with common law, it is very important that you demonstrate 12 consecutive months of residing together in a conjugal relationship. This is an essential proof to demonstrate you guys have been residing. It's necessary to demonstrate this. You can do this by lease agreements. You can do this by documents that are being sent to the same address. Sometimes, for example, a Rogers bill, a cell phone bill, it may or may not have both of your names on that bill. However, you can demonstrate that you reside together by having those documents be mailed to the same address. Now, one thing I always tell my clients when I do a consult is that simply by showing that you reside together doesn't mean that this is a serious conjugal relationship, and that is essential when you submit a common law application. For example, there's many boyfriend-girlfriends who reside together for many years. Doesn't mean that it necessarily qualifies under the common law definition. So the common law, the threshold is to demonstrate that this is just as a serious relationship as a spousal sponsorship application. However, you just simply don't have that marriage certificate. Either you don't believe in a marriage certificate, or for whatever reason, getting married is just not an option at this stage. But in regards to the documentation and the seriousness of your relationship, it really has to be similar to a spousal sponsorship application. So just having documents randomly showing that you guys reside together may not be enough. When you compile all of these documents, make sure you double check before you submit your application that did you prove to the immigration officer that this is a serious common law conjugal relationship that you guys have before you submit it. Other documents you can include is trips that you guys have taken together. Perhaps you guys have children, reference letters from friends and family to attest to your serious relationship, and things like this. Make sure that not only do you show that you've resided 12 months together, but that you don't forget the genuineness of the relationship as well. You could also view some of the spousal sponsorship videos that I've done. The concept is similar. The only difference between the spousal and the common law really is that marriage certificate. But in regards to the documentation and what you're trying to prove, is pretty much identical. Last thing with the common law, make sure you include the common law declaration form. That has to be signed and notarized, and that is a central part of the document checklist as well. If you're looking at getting more questions answered for the common law application, give us a call today. We're here to help. Thank you, and until next time.